Hi everyone, this is Movie Boy Mike here, and this is going to be a video. This two here that has a Jason Goes to Hell the Final Friday and Jason X. And I got this at YE, obviously, for like $8.99. It's actually not bad for this two pack. So let's get this unboxed. Of course, usually it has the FYE sticker somewhere around here, but this DVD does not have that for some reason. I do not. Oh, all right, there we go. Let's get this here opened up. And there it is. There it is right there. Yep, Warner Brothers Home Entertainment, obviously, and there's both the discs. Yeah, Jason Goes to Hell and Jason X, obviously. I can single releases of this two pack. This two pack will do, obviously. So, the unboxing video, that's the video to Jason Final Friday and Jason X. See you all later.